What are the benefits of crypto? Cryptocurrency has become immensely popular in recent years, and for a good reason. Crypto offers many benefits over traditional fiat currency, including decentralization. Cryptocurrency is not subject to the same centralization as fiat currency. This means that governments or financial institutions can't manipulate it. Privacy. Cryptocurrency transactions are often more private than fiat transactions. This is because crypto isn't subject to the same KYC and AML regulations as fiat currency. Security. Cryptocurrency is often seen as more secure than fiat currency due to the decentralized nature of the blockchain technology that it's built on. Lower fees. Cryptocurrency transactions typically have lower fees than fiat transactions. Speed. Cryptocurrency transactions can be much faster than fiat transactions. This is because they're often processed on the blockchain, which is a decentralized network that can confirm and settle transactions quickly. Crypto.com offers a secure and easy way to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency. They offer a variety of digital currencies, including BTC, ETH, XRP, and more. Sign up today to get started. If you are looking for more options for storing your cryptocurrencies, you should also consider hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are known for being really secure. If you are looking for one, then there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Continue to learn more. Affiliate disclaimer. Movement is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. You can store your cryptocurrency in a secure and trustworthy environment with Ledger wallets. This company has strict security measures to ensure the safety of each transaction made within its products. So it's no wonder they're considered one if not the most reliable when looking for hardware wallet solutions out there. Check out Ledger Wallets today. If you want to learn more about wallets and safely storing your cryptocurrencies, check out our previous post.